In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make over $190 just copying and pasting random stuff. Coming up. Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make over $200 and you guys can make as high as 3,000. I think this guy actually that only worked 1 hour, he made $3,000. And you guys don't need to be in front of camera, you guys don't need any audience, you guys don't need literally anything. The only thing you guys need is a Wi-Fi connection and a mobile phone or a computer, and you guys can do this on any of the devices you guys have access to. So let's get started with the video. So guys, as you guys saw on the title thumbnail, in today's video I'm going to show you guys, and this is a legitimate how to make over $800 to $3,000 actually just copying and pasting. And you guys can literally make like thousands, maybe 50,000, more than that, just copy and pasting. And I'm going to show you guys how to copy it the right way, how to where to paste it the right way in the right place to make that money. So let's get started. So guys, we're going to be using this we're going to be using 3 websites for this, so make sure you guys don't click off this video and don't skip any parts, because if you guys do, you guys might miss an important part. So we're going to be using 3 websites, combining all of them and to make that money. So we're going to be using this website, and here's some proof that I actually made some money. And this money, I don't even do work and it's still coming. I actually got out of this 13 sales, I got 8 of the sales just yesterday. And I made this like I think 3 months ago, and I'm still making money. So guys, before we go to the website we're gonna copy stuff from, make sure you guys click the like button, click the subscribe button. And if you guys are enjoying this channel so far, and if you guys are a subscriber, thanks a lot. And if you guys are not a subscriber and a new fan, make sure you guys click the subscribe button, because we put all the new stuff, all the new updates of how to make money online for you guys, so you guys can become a successful person and make money online in your life fast and easy. So this is the website where we're gonna copy it. So I'm not gonna reveal the name yet, because some people might click off it. And what we can do is we can find books about anything. So I just chose business for this one. Then just download the book and go to this website and sell it in here. So as you guys can see, Amazon King, I made 9 sales of that, which is $9. Well, I put it that too cheap, 99 cents. So I put it this one for $5. And let me show you guys a thing where you guys can put books up to, look, there's books for $194, $87, 65, $30. But I put it cheap because this was for some of my students. This was not for random people, because that's why I put it cheap, so that they can access to it a bit like easier and they don't spend that much money. And these people are my students that actually wanted to buy it, and they wanted to become successful, and I think they did. And I actually, some of them called me and they said, how do you do this stuff like the right way? Then I showed them, and they bought so much books that there is only 3 remaining of this one. So there's only 3 more of these books left, but I can give them as much as I want. But I'm only selling 3 more of this, because this actually helps. This is only for my VIP students, so that's why it only got 4 sales, and I don't share this with a lot of people. So guys, how this website works is, let's say we want this book, then you click on it, then you can download the book for free. Here's the download button. Then if you download it for free, here, let's just download it for the thing of this video. So here is all the information. You guys are not gonna get copyrighted or anything, you guys are not gonna get fined for using this book. So as you guys can see, you guys can do anything with this. You guys can, once it's downloaded, you guys can sell it, you guys can use it for yourself. So let me just open this. So here it is. Now this is the whole stuff. So I'm just gonna go in here and show you guys how the book is gonna look. So when someone actually buys the book, let's wait for this page to reload, and you guys don't spend money on anything. You guys don't have to pay anything because this is full on free. So as you guys can see there, you guys can delete some of the stuff that you guys think is not okay, like the rules and stuff, then just sell this for yourself. So here's all the information, you guys can sell it. Let's go back here, and I'm gonna reveal the name of the website right now because the video is gonna end. So the name of this website is free PLR downloads, and the name of this website is let's go to here. The name of this website is actually a great name that no one has talked about, and it's Gumroad, guys. Gumroad.com, so you guys can check it out. It's actually spelled as GUMROAD, Gumroad. Then you guys can sign up an account for free, and you guys can make thousands, hundreds of thousands of sale. And I'm going to show you guys where to get the customers. Don't click off this video because I'm going to show you guys where to get the customers. So here we're going to get the customers from Facebook, but how are we going to get from Facebook? Just wait a second to see. So as you guys can see, there are if you guys search business for beginners, then there's going to be a lot of groups and the stuff you guys can choose. So I'm just going to go with groups. Let's choose groups. Then there's going to be groups. As you guys can see, there's 1k no, that's 1k posts a day, 628 posts a day. You guys can follow these posts, these pages, and put your so once you put a product for sale here, you guys are gonna get a link for it to share it and make sales. So you guys can go to Facebook and put the link there. Don't spam, don't say like, oh, check out this link. Just say like, oh, I got a free don't say free, just say like how much the price is. Don't say how much the price is actually. Just say, oh, I got this great thing that actually helped me become successful and helped me open my business to have the world's internet, and it can help a lot of people, and mostly the people that are in this group. You guys can say something like that, and that's how you guys make sale. You guys can get the free traffic from Facebook. And that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.